चला एक बात बताऊं मैं तुम्हें, none of this is happening by chance.
Yes.
This is not by coincidence. I was supposed to meet her. I was supposed to get exposed. I was supposed to go through that heartache to meet her, to get exposed, to bring this into my life. How did it help, Shanaz?
And then you disappeared, remember, for
And then I
5-6 years.
disappeared because
Then you
I
got
started-
married, you
Then I
had
got married,
bachas.
I got kids.
Then you contacted me after years.
Yeah, then I went through a personal tragedy in life.
Yes.
Right?
And that's the day he calls me. Bataएं.
Yeah, that was 2013, I think I called you. Yeah. Tough time. I lost my mother in a plane crash. Right? And
After all these years, he calls me.
yeah. So it's amazing because to deal with that, what came to my mind is I need to go back to this technique.
So this goes to show that his soul was connected to the soul, to the course and me, and that was I was the only person he called at that time. Halaki we had not spoken for years.
Years we hadn't spoken.
Because that is what the course does, na?
I was doing the practice and all, or I would pray 5 times a day, and from a religious point of view, do all of that. Lekin, I felt that I need that, what I had learned, I need to relearn it, go back to it to really solve what was happening inside.
Basically,
Right?
spiritual strength, spiritual energy.
Yeah, and I think what was happening was in a normal scenario, you go through a post-traumatic stress disorder,
Yes.
anxiety disorder. आपको पता भी नहीं होता है, ठीक है ना?
Because he was the brave one in the family. Now he could not cry. The situation has happened. He's handling his mother. I mean, what, And he didn't. He said he never cried. So that is, I think he's still holding the trauma. The other day, Dr. Masuma held his pulse and said, "You still haven't processed something."
Actually, so I am not a unique person in that case. There are hundreds of thousands of people in this country that have gone through similar or worse things than I have.
As a nation, I think.
As a nation, हम लोग
सही है।
इतनी मुसीबतें देखते हैं
How do you deal with it, yeah?
और प्रोसेस कोई नहीं और बस अपने
How do you deal with it? और पता है क्या है? Now because मेरी आंखें खुल गई हैं, because then at the age of when I was at the peak of my professional career and making tons of money and all the lavishes of this world,
the material benefits you had.
all the material benefits I had a heart attack at the age of 45.
Just at 45.
Just when I had sold my company and I was
He was at his peak.
peak, बड़ा सा घर बना रहा है, टाकाक, जिसको मैं कहता हूँ पटाखा फट गया. That is when the world for me went 180. That is when the awareness in my life came in. That is when the purpose came in. Oh my God, there's so many people who've gone through what I've gone through, what I'm going through. How do they deal with it, man?